let us see right here from the main menu, from the store section. Call it whatever you want. One matters that you will be filthy rich in OneState RP. Yo people, your boy's back and ready to show you how we can get free money and free coins in OneState RP. You can get it for both iOS and Android devices. Just make sure to stick till the end, guys. Have your Wi-Fi on, do not use any type of VPN connections. And now let me show you the full process itself. Okay, now I'm loading up. Let's just see if we will see a change in OneState RP, guys. You know how much we need those resources, so let us see right here from the main menu, from the store section. Call it whatever you want. One matters that you will be filthy rich in OneState RP if you follow each and every step that I'm about to show you how you can get them, guys. And it is so fast and so efficient that you will not get over it. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then search for appspatch.com. On there, guys, what you will need to do is simple. You will just search for OneState RP, but search it like this without a space bar because it is typed singularly. So let us just now enter a username on the game, select the platform that you are on, and now boom, select the free coins. Of course, go for the maximum amounts because why not, guys? You can always go back and repeat this just like these 299 active users are doing over and over again. I mean, there are no limits to these free resources. So free coins, free money, continue to verification. Here we go. We have a step-by-step tutorial for this last step that we need to apply. And how's it going, guys? You will just basically need to either complete 2 apps by downloading them. So you will open up an app from here. You will be redirected to the App Store, Google Play Store. Then you will download it, install the app, of course, and then for Best Play, play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So, sorry for that, Best Play will need you to do that. Or some other app will ask of you something else. But you will also have a faster alternative by opening up some questionnaires, following up those questions, answering them, and that is how you go ahead and complete this whole process. Receive your free resources in OneState RP and be the master of it from now on. And that is all, guys. I really hope this was useful. If you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.